Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. This video is about a amazing product for toddlers which I'm sure your toddler is gonna love. So here it is, Camel Finger Crayons. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Camel Finger Crayons for y'all. So let's get out to unboxing the product first, and let's see what all do we get in this box. So again, this is the Camel Finger Crayons. So let's get down to unboxing it. So guys, this is the box of Camel Finger Crayons. This is a set of 10 finger crayons that you get in this. 10 vibrant colors for your child to play with. And this is the packaging. It comes in a cardboard box. And you all can actually see the crayons here without opening the box. You can actually see 3 colors right here. There's yellow, purple and orange here. So this is the box of the Camel Finger Crayons. So quite a lot of information on the box itself, so I'm going to tell you what all is there in this, right? So first of all, the packaging looks really premium, very well packaged product here from Camel. I really like the packaging, the way they have designed it, and it really feels very premium here. So moving on, first of all, there is the Camel branding here right on top. We have the Camel branding here. Then they're saying it's the #1 selling brand of crayons. And yes, I know that most of us, when we were kids, we might have used the Camel crayons, definitely. So these crayons are completely child safe and non-toxic. So you don't need to worry about your child getting intoxicated with the crayon while using it. These crayons are the perfect tool for your child to work on his fine motor skills and to learn to use his fingers well, right? So what do we get in this pack? In this pack we get a set of 10 colorful crayons, 10 colorful finger crayons, and along with that they also provide you with 3 stencils in this pack. So I'm going to unbox this product for y'all, and I'm going to show you what all is there in this pack, and we will also be reviewing the product for y'all. So right on, moving to the side of the pack, on the side again we have the Camel branding and then finger crayons, and it says there are 10 shades and all 10 shades can be seen here. So yeah, so the same info is available on the other side as well. This is 10 shades, the Camel branding, finger crayons and the crayon itself here. Moving on, below the box again there's a Camel branding, finger crayons, 10 shades. On top of the box is the same thing again, and there's some fine print here. So let's look at the fine print. Many a times we miss out on the fine print. Camel was the largest selling brand of crayons for the year 2015 and 2015-16 as per Market Pulse's MP Stationery Research of 2015-16. Okay, based on that they have said that these are the #1 selling crayons, #1 selling brand of crayons. So yeah, moving on to the back of the box, a lot of info here. First of all, it gives you a brief about what are the Camel Finger Crayons about, which are like super smooth finger shaped crayons, non-toxic and safe for your kids, which will help your kids to enhance their motor skills and ensure that they are strengthening their finger muscles using these. Your child is surely going to love these crayons. Then they are showing you the techniques of drawing here, like how you should use a stencil that you get and how you can use the crayons in different ways. So we will be getting to this later. Moving on, they have mentioned the 10 colors that you get in this box. There's red, there's pink, orange, green, brown, yellow, purple, sky blue, deep blue and black. Then some more information here. Product is finger crayons. Net quantity is 10 crayons and 3 stencils that you get in it. Then there's an address of the company, that's Kokyo Camlin Limited. And then couple of numbers that you can call if you have any issues with it. Then there's again a warning here saying that this product is not suitable for children below 3 years because there's a hazard of choking due to small parts, right? So these crayons are generally finger sized crayons, and children below 3 years have a tendency of ideally picking up things and putting it right to their mouth. So yeah, there's a chance of choking, so avoid giving it to your toddler who is below 3 years. Also, when you're even giving any small parts or any small crayons or any other material, always make sure that you're doing it in adult supervision. Moving on, we will be quickly unboxing this product and showing you what's inside. So this is the box, we will be opening it. So there's a push here, you push it and open it from here. So let's quickly get the crayons out. Oh, so these are the, first of all, these are the 10 different finger crayons available here: yellow, pink, orange, deep blue, black, sky blue, purple, red, brown, green. And then these are 3 different stencils that we have got free with it. So before we move to the stencils, let's look at the quality of the crayon itself, how good these are. So I'll just pick out a few for you here. Let me pick them out from here. Okay, so yeah, each of them are separate. So you can see these finger crayon, like they're actually fitting into my fingers as well. So wow, this looks amazing. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so these are the finger crayons. I have an orange, pink and a yellow one in my fingers right now. So let's go ahead and look at the quality of it. It looks pretty premium, well built. I think quite durable to be used. Like if small kids throwing it around, I don't think it will be breaking easily. But we haven't tested. We'll do a break test as well to see if a crayon breaks. So yeah, so these are the crayons. Look pretty nice. We will be testing it out as well. So you all get 10 different colors in this. Apart from the 10 different colors, you all get 3 of these stencils as well. Let's look what we have on stencils. We have owl here. Behind the owl, there's a teddy bear. There's a teddy bear stencil. Then we have frog here. Behind it, there's a dog. And finally, what do we have here? Okay, we have an elephant. Behind the elephant, there's a rabbit. Okay, so these are 3 different stencils that we get with it. I'll be showing you how to use it, and we'll also review on how good are these crayons to color with. So let's move on to the test and review of the product. So here with me I have a drawing book right now. So again I'll be taking down 3 colors. So okay, let's fit it into my fingers. Since these are finger crayons, let's try them on. So the colors seem pretty amazing. So we can see that the colors are like crayon colors here. They fit quite well in my fingers. I'm sure they'll fit much better in a toddler's fingers. So you all can see the colors are quite vibrant here. Pink is a bit light, but I think it's okay. But when you're actually coloring pink with a crayon, it's quite good, like if you rub it off. So let's try the yellow one as well and the orange one. Yeah, you can see all 3 colors that I put down here. So the color seems quite vibrant, which is good. The crayons look nice and quite durable to me. So these are 3 different colors that I have with me here. So again, I'll be showing all moving ahead. I'll be showing you how the stencil works. Okay, so let's try on the stencil that we have. So I'm going to take this elephant stencil. We just need to put it below the page where we are coloring. So here is the stencil. The stencil goes right below the page where we want to color. So my stencil is here. And now since the stencil is here, we just drag and color along the stencil. Ooh, this is magic. And I can see an elephant right here. So this is surely going to keep your toddler busy and painting it and stuff, because I'm really enjoying it. Feels like magic, like suddenly an elephant is appearing on the page. Again, we take off the stencil, put another stencil down, and again we just... So when you're using the stencil, you need to use the broader part of the crayon to get the perfect picture of the stencil, right? So you don't use this part because it will actually scribble on, but you use a broader part to get the perfect stencil layout. So yeah, so I find this pretty cool. Like we have stencils here, so which give out pretty cool images here. You can see there's an elephant and a rabbit one which I've done. So this is very cool. I really liked it. Similarly, we have 2 other stencils which are also available, which I had shown you earlier. There's an owl here. There's one which is an owl. On the other side we have a teddy bear, and here we have a dog and a frog. So yeah, so this is a pretty cool set. Even if you all plan to gift it to someone, to a toddler, I'm sure it will be one of the best gifts you can give them. Very educational, very much fun for the toddler to enjoy and have endless hours of fun with these crayons. So moving on, we are going to do a drop test to see how durable these crayons are. So I'm going to take a pink crayon. First drop test is from a height of say 1 feet. Let's try dropping it. No impact on the crayon. Let's go a little higher. Now the drop is going to be around 2 feet. Now the drop is going to be around 2 feet. No impact on the crayon. You can see the crayon is perfectly in one piece. There's no impact on it. Let's move up a bit more. So let's move up a bit more, and we're gonna do a drop test from height of 3 feet. Still no impact on the crayon. So you can see how durable these crayons are. Like I tried dropping them from quite a bit of an height, like 3 feet. We are going to do an extreme test right now. We are just going to bang it like a toddler would bang it and see what happens to it. Can it sustain a bang on the ground? And yes, it has broken. So maybe I'm a rough toddler here trying to play around with these, and it seems to have broken into pieces right now. Seems to have broken into pieces here. So yeah, so maybe not that durable with rough kids, but pretty much usable, like pretty much fun. I think this is a good quality crayon, but won't stand the test of a very extreme toddler who threw it very hard. So yeah, use it, it's fine. But we saw the drop test and we did it, and It passed most of the standards, but it failed the extreme standards here. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. If you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like these. Till then, bye bye.